In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PowerPoint slides. Printing your slides in PowerPoint is a quick and simple process once you know where to go. This is useful if you want a paper copy for a meeting, a class, a presentation rehearsal, or just for your own notes. I'll walk you through the basic way to do it so you can get your slides printed without confusion. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and making sure it's the file you want to print. It's always a good idea to give your slides a quick review before printing, just to confirm that everything looks correct and up to date. This can help you avoid wasting paper or ink on an older version of the presentation. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left area of PowerPoint and click on File. This will open the main file menu where you can find options for saving, sharing, exporting, and of course printing. If you're new to PowerPoint, think of the File menu as the place where all the main document actions are stored. After you click File, look for the Print option and click on that. This will open the print settings screen. On this page, you'll usually be able to see a preview of how your slides will look when printed. That preview can be very helpful because it lets you check the layout before you send anything to the printer. From the print section, PowerPoint typically gives you access to your printer selection and other print-related settings. Even though the basic process is just clicking File and then Print, it's still worth pausing for a moment to review what's on the screen. Make sure the correct printer is selected and that the preview matches what you expect. If everything looks good, you'll be ready to continue with printing from there. Taking a few extra seconds to verify your settings can save time and help prevent common printing mistakes. That's all it takes to get to the print menu in PowerPoint. The key steps are very straightforward. Open your presentation, click File, and then click Print. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to print PowerPoint slides quickly and easily.